Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to see about 11 Udemy courses which are free right now. Okay, so this is the first. It's that ultimate guide to boosting your business. For this, the coupon code is, as you can see here, the coupon code is ETSY2203. If you apply this code, you will get this course for free. Okay, now let's see the another course. The next course is Build Your Best Cold Email Strategy, and 4 days left for this course. And if you want this course for free, the coupon code is cold2203. Okay, if you apply this coupon code, you will get this course for free. The next one is Google Ads 2023, How to Drive Sales with PPC. Okay, and for this also 4 days left. Okay, and coupon code is PPC2203. Okay, apply this code as soon as possible. You will get this course, and you're also having certificate in this course. And we'll see the next one. Email Marketing 2023, Increase Sales with Email Marketing. The coupon code here is EM2203. Apply this coupon code and you will get this course for free. The fifth one is RoboAuthor, Content Writing Automation Part 11. Okay, and this is also a very good course, and this is the coupon code for this course. Okay, if you apply this coupon code, you will get this course for free. Okay, and 4 days left for this price. Okay, please note down the coupon code. Please pause the video and note down the coupon code. Let's see the next video, video number 6. Crash course on Civil Engineering and AutoCAD Part 7. Okay, this course is also free, and the coupon code here is this one. Pause the video and note down the coupon code. See the 7th one, Social Media Marketing Strategy 2023, Launch Your SMM. Okay, this is also a very good course with 2205 ratings, 4.2. You will get this course for free, and the coupon code here is SMM2203. Okay, apply this code and you will get this course for free. We will see the course number 8, Complete Google Slides course, Create Stunning Slides. Okay, this is also a very good course, only 11 hours left. Here its rating is 4.4 and the rating is 569 rating. Okay, and the coupon code is here. Pause the video and note down the coupon code. Let's see course number 9, that is Facebook Ads, Run Your First Ad Campaign, the 4.2 rating, 4 days left for this price, and the coupon code is FADS2203. Now let's see course number 10, Account-Based Marketing, ABM, Increase Your B2B Efficiency, Business to Business Efficiency. It is also a very good course, 4 days left for this price, and the coupon code here is ABM2203. And the last one is blogging and influencer marketing. This is also very good rating codes, 4.5, 101 ratings are there, and it is free for 4 days for this price. The coupon code here is BL2203. Apply this code and you will get the course free. Please, if you like my video, please press like and subscribe to this channel. I will post daily what are the Udemy courses are free, and share with your friends. Okay, please support to my channel, and thanks for watching.